Hi Peaches, welcome to my channel. My name is Joanna, but you can call me Jo. Thank you guys. I know it's been a very long time. Missing you guys actually. I miss you guys so much. I know I haven't been consistent, but you guys have consistently supported me. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. I didn't see much of you guys, or you didn't see much of me last year, but I've got good news. Because of your love, your care, your dedication, your loyalty, we are now on. So, I think we're more than 100,000 actually. I got the email from YouTube to claim my award, I think in November. So I did everything. I didn't hear much of YouTube until December 2022. I received the award on the 19th of December 2022. But unfortunately, I became ill on the 20th of December. So I was quite ill throughout the Christmas holidays and again through to the New Year. And happy New Year to you guys. Oh, Happy New Year. I know it's February already, but Happy New Year. I hope you guys are all doing well. So I received the award on the 19th of December, but I couldn't film it and I didn't want to open it because I thought it would be so unfair for me to see it without you guys. So I just wanted to do a chance to film. So yeah, thank you. It's just really amazing that, even though I haven't been, and I don't take this for granted, I haven't been consistent. You guys still you are still there. I've got so many subscribers. To the new ones, thank you so much. I do really appreciate you. You're going to see much of me this year, I promise. You're going to see much of me, but thank you so much for everything, for liking the videos, for watching the videos, for commenting on the videos, for sharing the videos. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful and lucky to have you guys in my corner. So I'm going to try and make this video as short as possible. But as I said, I don't want to open the award without you guys. So I've come here today. I feel well. I feel very, very well. So yeah, we're going to do this together. Are you ready? It's been 2 months since I received this. It wasn't actually easy for me as well, seeing the plaque without opening it. But I was determined to wait until I'm ready to film. And today is the day. Are you guys ready? Let the drums roll. So we're going to do this today. I'm so excited. Are you? I'm sure you are. I can't wait to see it. I really can't wait to see it. I'm quite excited. I'm really excited. Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. 56. This is nice. Okay. So it's a congratulatory note for you two. And I've got this as well. Oh, this is nice. Really nice. Oh my days. I'm so excited actually. I'm so excited that I finally get to see it as well. It's so amazing. It's really amazing. It's nice. Thank you so much. We made it. We did it. We did it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, yes. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much. I can't really thank you enough. Thank you. So, I will be filming. I will be uploading. I definitely will be uploading. If you've got any suggestions, anything, please comment down below, comment on the video, and I will see you soon. You take care of yourself and have a blessed week. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Love you. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. Love you.